In today's video, I will show you how to open multiple Minecraft at the same time. So to do this, we need to go to the Minecraft launcher, and now here we need to go to the bottom left here on settings, and we need to enable these settings right now. Keep the launcher open while games are running. This will be able to have the launcher open, and we can open several Minecrafts. We can open 1, 2, or all the Minecraft we want. So now let's click on play. As you can see, this is working. So now I want to open another one. So we need to go just to the launcher and click on play again. We will have this message, meaning that we have a Minecraft already launched, but we don't mind. We want to open another one. And now, as you can see, I have this Minecraft open, and I also have this one open. So you can do now whatever you want. You can, for example, play in multiple servers. I can go to the Hypixel, and also I can go here to the Fade Cloud, and I will be able to play at the same time in both servers. So that's everything for the video. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.